This is Tony the Gheenoe Guy. We're out here fishing Moultrie Creek. Me and B are out here fishing. So we've just thrown our first 2 lines in the water. We've got a couple of cut bait, mullet, finger mullet out there. And we're in our secret spot. Spot number 1 is what we call it. We'll show you what we're talking about. Fish on. Got you a cat? Well, B got her first fish. These catfish are following me. I don't know what's going on. Well, after that northeastern came through, the creek back here has gotten really dark. So that may affect our fishing. Looks like a few of the sandbars might have changed a little bit. But it's really dark. It looks like chocolate milk. So we'll see how that affects the fishing today. Got the first mangrove today. Is that a toadfish? The old nasty toadfish. Not opening there. Oh, God. What's wrong with me, baby? So we've caught some mullet, and we're heading back into the spot, the secret spot back here in Moultrie Creek. Right now it's so shallow, we're using the trolling motor and had to walk a couple of times, so it's just super shallow. But we did catch some finger mullet. It was a little harder to catch the finger mullet because it's hard to see them today because of the water being so dark. So tide is almost all the way out, and we're gonna hopefully catch the incoming tide in the spot. So right when the tide comes in, probably the first hour or 2 is the best for this area. So we'll see how that goes. So the only thing hungry in this creek is me. So secret spot's not working. We're about to call it quits. We fished all over Moultrie Creek and no luck. Caught some mangroves, some catfish, a couple of spots. But it just wasn't the day.